A shelter-in-place order is now in effect for the states of Ohio, West
Virginia, Kentucky, Michigan, and Indiana due to a nuclear
power plant explosion in Ohio
and a 4.3-mile wide tornado. Radiation
is spreading extremely fast. Many cities are already reduced to ash, and about 5 million people are
confirmed dead. Please get to a shelter immediately, or you will die. This will be an
unforgotten event in history.
America cannot live on
without you. Please get to a shelter.
Now, to shelter in place. Get inside your home in the lowest room of Cover yourself with a thick blanket and make sure you have enough food and water for 4 days. Bring a battery-powered or hand-cranked